Hey everyone, Ronnie at Slater, and I want to go over my first attempt at a walkable, easily replaceable, removable ridge. So you can see over here, those type of ridges have the radius at the top. People walk on them, they dent them, they nail through them to try and hold them down. They rust. They're just awful. They go on fast. That's the only good thing about it. So what I'm doing on this job is I've made 2-foot long copper pieces, and I hemmed the bottom edge, I hemmed the leading edge, and of course the other side's a mirror image of this, and I wrapped that over this. This is 1 3/4 wide by probably about 2 3/4 inches deep. It's a peely. It's a very weather resistant wood. I took out the old ridge board, which was deteriorated about that wide. So I put this in, and you can see where I put this in right over here. ASAP lock fall protection, my V5 anchor, and all that. So I haven't done this hip yet, but every 12 inches or so, I put a screw all the way down into good wood to hold that on. So you'll be able to walk on that if you want without any problem. Excuse that, it's temporary try-in. And anyway, so now I've got a 1/16 inch by 1 inch wide brass. I put a hole in it for a 1/4 inch stainless steel lag bolt. It's 1.5 inches long. And the wood is also pre-drilled. And I formed one edge on the ground. I'm going to hammer that edge over like I did at some of these other places. So this is the only possible leak point. My overlap is 3 inches. It's not going to leak. The wind's not going to blow it up. And when I have to work that section of the roof, and then the front, and then the other side, I'll be able to take these off really easily. Anytime there's a repair necessary, you just take out this bolt, slide this out, and do whatever you have to do. Is it good? I don't know, but I like it. It's just right for me. Y'all take care. Be safe.